Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an evil prank on my mum. In today's video guys, I'm going to prank my mum pretending that I've lost the cat. That's what I mean, that I've lost the cat. But the cat is actually under my bed. And it's one of his hiding spaces, but be quiet guys, my mum don't know that it's one of her hiding spaces. One of his hiding spaces, I mean. But yeah, let's call her in. Mum! Can you come here a minute? Come and sit down, please.
Move across a bit so I can then, please.
You're fine now.
I'm not fine.
You know, I've been feeding the rats this morning, as you know.
Yeah.
But basically, I've been looking around the house for the cat, and I couldn't find him anywhere. I think he's gone missing, and I think I've lost him.
What? Missing?
I let him out, and you know he's not allowed to go out as well because
Why would you do that?
he's not allowed to go out as well. He's still kind of a kitten, you know.
So you've let him escape?
No, I'm joking. But I think he's escaped out a window or something.
I'm worried now where the cat is.
So we'll check the house. First, let's check the bathroom.
I'll have a look in the bath panel. Sometimes
You look in.
the bath panel.
You look in the bath panel.
No, I can't see him in there.
Right, now let's check your room.
Right, my room then.
There's nowhere in here either.
I can't see him down there.
Come in.
Let me check the side of my bed. Oh, I can't see him down there.
Come in here then. Bathroom again. No, I'm joking. Shut the door though. Let's check my room. Woodrow, have you seen Canelo anywhere? Because I think he's gone missing.
Let me come by and have a look.
Hello.
Not behind the Christmas tree.
No.
Not down there.
No.
Not in the windowsill.
No, I'm recording this because it's proof that it's happened.
Not in your cupboard. No, I can't see him under your bed. I was going to have a look downstairs.
Right, he can hide a lot of spaces down here, Mum. He's been on top of the fridge once as well.
I'm worried about him. I have to have some out of some binding.
No. No, he's not there either. Where he normally is. When he's down there.
Yeah.
He's not on the sofas or anything.
Is he under the sofa?
Let's check the kitchen.
Not on his litter tray.
No.
Not on his cat food. What about on top of the fridge? No, not on top of the fridge.
Check the garden, but be quiet. I need to put my shoes on. Mum, wait, because I need to put my shoes on. Don't make any noise, we're just gonna look.
No, I couldn't see him anyhow, wherever.
Come here. He sometimes goes in this cupboard where all your things are.
No, he's not in there. It's too full.
And that's just climbed in the fridge.
No, it's not in the fridge. How can you open the fridge door and
I
climb?
don't know.
I'm worrying now. It's making me panic.
What about down here? What a noise.
Canelo!
No, don't
Cat!
say his name. Don't.
Why?
Because I don't think he's in here. That's rats. Where's it gone?
No.
Come on, sit down with me, please.
I'm gonna have to put some missing posters
Come on,
out.
sit down with me, please.
Where's the cat?
I don't know.
I'm gonna have to put some missing posters out. Or something.
No.
Yeah.
No.
I'm worried about him.
Oh, don't be. It's gonna be okay. We're gonna find him. We're gonna.
Shall we leave some food on the doorstep?
No. It's fine. We're gonna find him.
I'm worried. I'm worried about him.
Oh no.
You?
Yes. But can you try checking under the bed again? Because. Hang on, let me check. No, I won't. You can check under the bed again.
I can't see him.
Mom, can you not see him?
No.
Because guess what?
What?
You've been pranked! Go and see if he's actually under the bed, though.
I was right back behind that basket where I couldn't see. He's just poking his head out now. He's hiding behind that basket right where I couldn't see.
Because you've been pranked again.
Oh, don't do that. It made me worry.
Well, you didn't sound very worried.
I was worried.
What was worried about you?
Look at my face. I'm as white and worried as anything.
Hello, baby. Here's how the rats are doing, guys. They still go through my fingers. But yes, Mum, the cat's under your bed, alright. I mean, my bed. And you've been pranked.
Oh, don't do that because my heart's pounding.
Just admit that you've been pranked
I've
again.
been pranked by the prank king.
Alright, let me go in your room a minute to do the outro. Guys, thank you for the support on my videos and pranks and everything. Because if you guys love the pranks and videos, I'm going to keep doing them. And each prank will get better and better, eviler and eviler. I mean, more evil every time and much more extreme. But as you guys know, I did a community post the other day of what pranks should I do for the last few days of December. But I've not had any comment back, so... I've not had any comment back. So, can you guys just give me some ideas to prank my mum? Because I'm really struggling now of ideas. This month I've done the salt in water prank, the hide and seek prank, the prank I've just done now, pretending I sold all the animals, pretending her whole family went missing, pretending I'm leaving the house forever, and much more. But guys, thank you for all the support this year and all of the views I've got and everything. By the way, guys, I don't mind how many views and likes and subscribers I get per video. I just do YouTube to try and entertain you guys. But if you enjoyed this video, guys, remember to leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment if you're new to the channel, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.